First, we import Renderer2 and ElementRef from Angular core. Renderer2 is a service that provides a safe way to modify elements in your app without direct DOM access, which is useful for server-side rendering and to avoid XSS attacks. ElementRef is a wrapper around a native element inside of a view. Next, we inject both Renderer2 and ElementRef into our component through the constructor. This allows us to gain access to the methods provided by Renderer2 and the native element that ElementRef is wrapping. They are marked as private, so they will only be accessible within this component. Here we define the Animate element function. Inside, we get a reference to the native element from ElementRef as element, and we initialize a variable pos to 0. This variable will track the current position of the element as we move it. We declare a const interval and set it to a setInterval call. This creates an interval that repeatedly executes the given arrow function at the specified time delay, in this case, 10 milliseconds. Inside the interval function, we first check if the position pos is equal to 100. If it is, we use clearInterval to stop the animation. Our animation ends when the element reaches a position of 100 pixels from its starting point. If the position is not yet at 100 pixels, we increment pos by 1. Then, we use the setStyle method of Renderer2 to update the leftStyle property of our element, setting it to the new pos value concatenated with px for pixels. This shifts the element to the right by 1 pixel every 10 milliseconds, creating the animation effect.